Hey guys, today we're making these thin lemon cake bars, lemon brownies, call them what you want. These are heavenly. They're the perfect cross between a moist pound cake and a dense brownie. If you love lemon desserts, you have to make these. So this recipe is going to be super quick, super easy, super delicious. In my bowl, I have some butter, vanilla extract. I've also added the sugar. And to this mixture, I'm also going to add the zest of 2 big lemons. We will use the juice as well in just a moment. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell. I post new videos every week. You're going to give this a quick mix. I like to use a basic spatula for this, guys. It's that easy. Add your eggs. You may need to switch to a whisk at this point, just so everything incorporates nicely. Now, the color of your batter will depend on how colorful your egg yolks are. If your egg yolks are a bit pale, and if you want a really intense yellow color, you can certainly add a drop of food coloring. I've added the dry ingredients and the lemon juice and just mix until combined. The lemon juice is going to give a beautiful tang to the cake bars. Okay, so the batter's done. You're going to transfer it into a cake pan, greased, floured, and lined with parchment paper, and you're going to bake it at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for around 15 minutes. Do the toothpick test. If it needs more time, just leave it another 1 or 2 minutes. You're going to let this cool for 5 minutes and then turn it over and take it out of its pan. While that's cooling, I'm going to show you how to make that delicious glaze. Let's talk for a moment, guys, okay? If you're not going to make the glaze, you might as well just skip this recipe. The combination of the thin cake bars with the glaze is what makes this recipe just amazing and so special. So do not skip the glaze. It's like fabulous, okay? So to my powdered sugar, I've added a pinch of salt, lemon zest, and some lemon juice. You're going to give this a quick mix and pour this onto your cake. Now, the beauty of this glaze is that it will set, so you want to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes before you cut into this. Now, I did cut my recipe in half. I'm only making 4 cake bars today. So in the description box, you'll find the measurements for 8 to 10 cake bars. I like to trim the edges, not necessary, and I cut them into squares. You guys, if you love lemon desserts, this recipe is a must try. It's lemony and tangy and zesty. It's amazing, and they'll melt in your mouth.